Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
Yes. Welcome back. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily, and today we're talking about coffee.
Finally, my favorite topic.
Okay, be honest. Have you ever walked into a coffee shop and just froze? Like, you know what you want, but the words just don't come out right?
Oh, 100%. I remember my first time ordering coffee in English. The barista asked me a question, and I just said, yes. I had no idea what I agreed to.
What did you get?
A triple shot. At 9 p.m., I did not sleep that night.
Okay, that is exactly why we're doing this episode. Today, we're teaching you 7 phrases that native speakers use every single time they order coffee.
7 phrases. Simple ones. Ones that make you sound smooth and confident.
And stick with us until the end because we're going to do a full practice conversation right in a coffee shop.
So you can hear all of this used together, naturally.
Let's get into it.
Okay, first phrase. Can I get...
Can I get?
This is the easiest, most natural way to order something. Not I want, not give me, just can I get?
It's soft and polite. Think of it like knocking gently on a door instead of banging on it.
Exactly. So if you want a coffee, you just say, can I get a medium latte, please?
Simple. What if there's a long line and you're in a hurry?
Same phrase works. Can I get a coffee to go? Still polite, still fast.
Love it. Okay, phrase number 2. For here or to go?
For here or to go.
This is the question the barista asks you. For here means you're staying in the shop. To go means you're taking it with you.
Think of for here like sitting down at a table and to go like it's already in your hand, walking out the door.
So if they ask, for here or to go, and you're heading to work, you just say,
To go, please.
perfect. Number 3. What size?
What size?
This one trips people up because sizes have weird names sometimes. Small, medium, large, or sometimes tall, grande, venti.
Right? And it's confusing because tall sounds big, but it's actually the smallest size at some coffee shops.
I know. Just imagine the sizes like t-shirt sizes. Small is small no matter what fancy word they use.
So if someone asks, what size? You just answer with the size word. Medium, please. Easy.
Okay, phrase 4. This one is so useful. Do you have any?
Do you have any?
This is how you ask if something is available. Like, do you have any oat milk? Or do you have any decaf?
Think of it like checking a shelf. You're asking, is this thing on your shelf?
So say you're lactose intolerant, like a lot of people. You'd ask,
Do you have any almond milk?
exactly. And they'll say yes or no. Simple as that.
All right, phrase 5. Could I get that with...
Could I get that with?
This is for adding something extra. Extra shot, extra sugar, whipped cream, whatever you want.
Picture it like adding toppings on a pizza. You already ordered the base, now you're adding the fun stuff on top.
So, could I get that with an extra shot of espresso? Boom. Now you're wide awake.
What if you want it less sweet?
Same structure. Could I get that with less sugar? Or could I get that with no whip?
So flexible. Okay, phrase 6. That's all, thanks.
That's all, thanks.
This is how you politely finish your order. It tells the cashier, I'm done. You can ring me up now.
Think of it like closing a book after the last page. You're signaling the story is finished.
So the barista might ask, anything else for you today? And you say,
No, that's all, thanks.
clean, polite, done. And our last phrase, number 7. Keep the change.
Keep the change.
This is a small, friendly way to leave a tip without needing exact coins.
Imagine you're handing someone a little gift and saying, Don't worry about giving anything back. This extra bit is for you.
So if your coffee is $4.50 and you hand over a $5 bill, you can just say,
Keep the change. And that 50 cents becomes a tip.
such a nice, native-sounding phrase.
Okay, quick pause. If this is helping you, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like.
And tell us in the comments, which phrase are you going to use first time you order coffee?
We really do read every comment, so let us know.
Okay, back to the lesson.
Now let's take some beginner sentences and smooth them out.
Beginner version. I want a coffee, medium size, and I go now.
A little robotic, right? Let's fix it. Smooth version. Can I get a medium coffee to go, please?
So much more natural.
Next one. Beginner version. You have milk not from cow?
I love that one, but let's smooth it. Do you have any oat milk?
Clean and clear.
Last one. Beginner version. Put more sugar, please, and I finish order now.
Smooth version. Could I get that with extra sugar? That's all. Thanks.
See the difference? Same meaning, but it sounds like a native speaker.
Okay, let's put it all together. Here's a full coffee shop scene.
Hi there. Welcome in. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I get a large latte?
Sure thing. For here or to go?
To go, please. I'm heading to work.
Got it. Do you have any preference on milk?
Actually, do you have any almond milk?
We do.
Great. Could I get that with an extra shot too? I need the energy today.
Long morning?
You have no idea. That's all. Thanks.
Okay, that'll be $5.
Here's 10. Keep the change.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too.
Okay, let's count them. Did you catch it?
We used can I get for here or to go. Do you have any? Could I get that with? That's all. Thanks. And keep the change.
All 7. Right there in one natural conversation.
See? It's not that hard once you have the phrases in your pocket.
All right, that's it for today's episode. You now know 7 phrases to order coffee like a total native speaker.
No more freezing up at the counter. No more accidental triple shots at 9 p.m.
Never again.
If you learned something today, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling us your coffee order. In English, of course.
We love reading them. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.